Shiba Inu coin, often referred to as SHIB, gained considerable attention as a meme cryptocurrency, much like Dogecoin. When considering any investment, especially in highly speculative assets like meme cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to approach the subject with caution and due diligence. Here's a basic guide on how you might approach investing in the Shiba Inu coin or any other cryptocurrency. Research and understand. Read the Shiba Inu's whitepaper and any relevant documentation. Understand the utility and purpose of the coin. Some coins are mere speculative assets, while others may have potential real-world applications. Stay updated with news surrounding the coin and the broader crypto market. Select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Choose exchanges that have a reputation for security, liquidity, and transparency. Ensure that the exchange supports Shiba Inu or your cryptocurrency of choice. Implement strong security measures. Always use two-factor authentication for your exchange accounts. Consider using hardware wallets to store your cryptocurrency offline, ensuring it's safe from online hacks. Diversify. Never put all your money in one asset or investment. Diversifying reduces the risk. Watch out for FOMO. Fear of missing out. Cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins, can be highly volatile. Rapid price increases may tempt you to buy due to FOMO, but this is often risky. Prices can crash as quickly as they rise. Know when to exit. Set a target price or a return percentage at which you'll sell. Alternatively, consider setting a stop loss at a specific price below your purchase price to limit potential losses. Always be aware of the tax implications of your investments. Stay updated. Regularly review news sites, forums, and social media channels dedicated to cryptocurrency discussions. Changes in regulations, technological developments, or macroeconomic factors can all influence prices. Be cautious of pump and dump schemes. These are orchestrated efforts to artificially inflate the price of an asset to attract unsuspecting investors, after which the orchestrators sell their holdings, leading to a price collapse. Long-term versus short-term. Determine if you are in it for the long haul or if you want to make quick trade. Both strategies have their risks and rewards.